what advice can you give someone who isn't yet a driver but wants to get into trucking?
Well, my advice is this. If you have a family that you spend a lot of time with, you have to really consider about getting into this trucking thing, because when you first start off, you're gonna have to go over the road. You most definitely gonna have to do that. And it's gonna take a lot of time from your family. And you know, you have some female drivers, some male drivers, and their spouse is just hard to wait, you know? But you need the experience though. That's the only way you're gonna get hired in a nice company and make good money. So if you're thinking about getting into it, most definitely think about being away from home for a couple of months, because it's gonna happen. And you need the experience,